हाथ धोना सीखिए हाथों से ही।
चाहिए पानी और साबुन।
Yes, you can come on the stream. You're sure? Okay, then refresh and start your stream. Okay, you are on the live stream. Okay, so what is written on the board? Okay, you can little increase the brightness of your screen, okay, because the current is not there, we are on inverter, so that's why, okay. Okay, if it is fine, it's fine. If it is clear, then okay, let's start, okay. Fine. So, what do you mean by algebraic expression? You know, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression means what? Relation of constants and yes, what? No, actually, I could not see properly. Okay, so from today onwards, I will start on my work. Okay. What so many sounds? Yes, you please get ready first and then inform. Okay, okay. What is written? Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is actually the relation of constants and variables, okay, with the help of operators. What is constant? any value, 3, 4, -2, 0, all these are constants. Constants means these values will not change from question to question. Okay, if in one question it is 3, it means 3 only. If the 3 is used in another question, then also it means 3 only. Fine. So these are constants. Now what are the variables? Variables are those values those terms whose values actually changes. Okay, from question to question. Like x, y, z, k, l, m, a, b, c. Sometimes we take a, b, c also as variable. So what happens in one question, x comes 5. In another question, after solving, x comes suppose 2. So that is what x, y, z. These values keeps on changing. They do not have a definite value. Okay, that's why they have been named as variables. Constant means constant. So okay, so the constant and variable, when they are related with the help of operators, okay, just 30 seconds it will pass. Okay, on the road it has come. Yes, yes. So for that only I am telling, just wait for 30 seconds, it will pass. It's crossing the road. Okay, so see, what are the different mathematical operators? Addition, subtraction. Okay, so with the help of that, for example, if I write here like that, 3x plus 5y plus 2, what is this? It's a relation of the constants and different variables along with certain operators, addition, subtraction, like this. Okay, anything. So this type of expression is called as algebraic expression. This type of expression is called as algebraic expression. Okay, fine. Now this algebraic expression will be called as polynomial. Will be called as polynomial when the power of the variable is a whole number. Now whole number, you understand? Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 infinity. Okay, so this type of algebraic expression is called polynomial when the power of the variable in the expression is a whole number. When the power is a whole number, when the power is a fraction, 2 by 3, okay, it's not a polynomial, it's just an algebraic expression but not a polynomial. Okay, when the power is negative, -2, -1, so -2, -1 is not a whole number. Okay, whole number is this much only. No, we have studied in detail, so I hope you understand here. No. So if the power of the variable is a whole number, then only we call that algebraic expression as polynomial. Okay, now for example, let us see. Can you tell me what is the power of x and y here present in this expression? What is the power of x? Power of x, nothing written, so 1, correct. Power of y, 1, correct. So 1 whole number, so it can be called as a polynomial. Okay, and it is an algebraic expression. Of course it is an algebraic expression, it can also be called as a polynomial, correct. Now let us take another example. some other examples. For example, root x, 3 root x plus 5. What is this? 3 root x plus 5. So we have to focus on the power of the variable. No? So variable is x here, and what is the power of the variable right now? Root of x, square root it is. Yes, square root of x means this is 3 into x raised to the power. What is the power? No, it is square root. No. See, square root of x, cube root. What is here? Nothing means 2. No. Cube root of x. Fifth root of x. What actually? How can we write? This is x raised to the power 1 by 2. This is x raised to the power. Please be here, okay? And focus. X raised to the power 1 by 3 cube root. X raised to the power 1 by 5. So what these powers are? Are these whole numbers? Okay. Fine. So they are rational values. So can we call this expression as polynomial? Can we call this as a polynomial? Yeah, it just moved for a while. Now it is silent. I decrease your sound because so many unnecessary sound is coming. That's why I had to decrease it. Yes, it's coming directly into my ears. No. So why so much tapping sound? The other sounds are coming. Now see here. This 3 root x plus 5. Fine. So we have to focus on the power of the variable. Now see, in one unit we have spent so much time, okay, to understand it very deeply. Now we are in a flow, so let us not waste so much time in like a single unit, okay. So let us be a little fast. You just concentrate, focus properly, and I will try to make it fast, okay. Okay, just I want you reply. I want my statement to be completed. If I say half statement, you complete it, I will understand you got it, okay. We will proceed then. Fine. So 3 root x plus 5, 3x raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 5. So what is this x power? It is a fraction. It's not a whole number. So can we call it a polynomial? It's not a polynomial. So is it a polynomial or not? No, it's not a polynomial. Okay, it's just an algebraic expression. Okay. 3 root x plus 5 is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. Clear? No? Okay. Okay. Yes. One by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Yes. Correct. If it is an equation and you are bringing this to that side, means not the complete, just this square root value, this is square root, then okay. For example, root x is equal to 5 and we want the value of x. We want the value of, this is the given thing, we want the value of x. So this is square root. No. So what actually is happening, we are squaring both sides. We are squaring both sides. I told you we can do some operations if we are doing in the whole of the LHS and the whole of the RHS, the same operation we can do, no problem. So I am doing what? the squaring on both the LHS, complete LHS and complete RHS. I am squaring, so I am not bringing any change in the equation, and I can do this. So I did this. What is the purpose of doing this? To cancel this square root. I know what I know, that square root means x raised to the power 1 by 2 inside. I know this. From now I know this. Okay, so the purpose of squaring will be clear here. You can say, understood what is the purpose? We have studied in exponents, and when this bracket will open, what will happen? The powers will get multiplied. 1 by 2 into 2 will cancel each other, and what will get? So what will get? X. So squaring here, we are getting rid of this square root form or not? So that actually thing is being done here. Okay, and now here 5 square means 25. So x is equal to actually this is only done, okay, in the background, but generally while solving, what we are telling, when square root goes to that side, it becomes a square. But the explanation of that is this one, why actually it happens. This is the thing we actually used to do, or should be done. Okay, clear? Now this is not a polynomial. Come to this, tell me, for this, is it a polynomial or not? X plus 1 by x. What is the power of this x? It's a whole number. Okay, done. What is the power of this? No, the power of this is, right now in the denominator 1. What will happen when it will go to the numerator? You tell, we have studied the exponents. When this will go to the numerator, what will happen? It will be x plus x raised to the power minus 1. When this x will go in the numerator, its power will change its sign. When this part will go to the numerator, its power will change its sign. Right now the power is 1 in the denominator. When no, that is not actually the reason. We generally used to write like this, okay, but actually if it is something like this, we get this, and now we have to compare the powers, whether they are whole numbers or not. So the power of first x is a whole number, the power of second x is not a whole number, isn't it? It's a negative value. It's actually, we are not working on equation, we have written this expression only in this form, isn't it? We have written this expression only in this form, that this expression is nothing but this, we should understand. And from this we come to a conclusion that the power of the second variable is a negative value. It's not a whole number. So what conclusion came? That this complete, or you say this complete, is a polynomial, isn't it? It's a polynomial. Hey idiot, where are you lost, man? This is a polynomial or not? How? The power of this is minus 1. The power of this is minus 1. It's not a whole number. We will bring in the numerator, the variable should be brought in the numerator and then should be checked, okay? So, right now also it's not a polynomial, okay? Right now also it's not a polynomial, because this and this are not different thing, both are same thing. So right now also, or whether you write in numerator, we must understand the power of x present here is actually minus 1. Okay, so it's not a polynomial. Clear? It's not a polynomial. Okay. Now, yeah, please copy, please. Done? No. Okay. Now suppose I write 5. Is it a polynomial? So how can we understand yes it is a polynomial? We can write 5 as 5x raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 means how much? 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 5 we can write as 5x raised to the power 0 means x raised to the power 0 means 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. So 5 can be written like this, or 5 is actually this. Okay, that we generally use to write 5. Yes, of course. Okay, so 5x is to the power 0, so it's a polynomial. But here, but sorry, fine. So this you understood, no, that 5 is also a polynomial. Okay, and now since 5 is actually a constant, we have seen, no, that 5, 4, 3, -1, -2, 0, all these are constant or not. So we have one term called as constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, can you see, is clear, no? Constant polynomial. Okay, so in the constant polynomial we can write 3, 2, 0, 1, all these are constant polynomial, no? -5, -7, what all these are, etc. All these are constant polynomial. We can write 3x raised to the power 0, 2x raised to the power 0. Okay, if I am writing 2x, what does it mean? 2 plus x, 2 minus x, 2 divided by x, or 2 into x? What is this 2x? It's 2 plus x, isn't it? It's 2 plus x. 2x means 2 plus x? No. No. It's not also 2 minus x. It's not also 2 divided by 6. It is 2 into x. 2x. 2x means 2 multiplied x. Understood? Clear? So we can write 3x as 3 as 3x raised to the power 0, 2 as 2x raised to the power 0, no? So all these are constant polynomials. All these are constant polynomials. Clear? Second, 0 polynomial. What is 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial is that constant polynomial which is 0. 0. 0 I can write as 0 x raised to the power 0. So 0 means 0 x raised to the power 0. 0 into x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power is 0 is 1. So 0 into 1 is 0 only. So 0 means this. Why this is called polynomial, that is the explanation. Okay. So 0 alone is called as 0 polynomial. Okay. 0 polynomial. Don't get it confused with 0 of a polynomial. Okay, this is very different thing. 0 of a polynomial, it is very different thing. Right now we are only talking about 0 polynomial. Just like constant polynomial, this is 0 polynomial. Don't think it is 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial we will discuss later. Okay, that is different thing, quite different thing. Clear here? Fine. And what is 0 polynomial? 0 is called as 0 polynomial, nothing tough. Okay. Now, presentation of polynomial. How we are writing the names? Polynomial px. We are writing by different names. 5x plus 3, 5x square plus 3, anything, qx. 7x cube plus 9, rx or ry, anything, ry, r of y, that is 3y square minus 5. What these are? Can we call this expression as polynomial? 5x square plus 3. Come to the variable, check the variable power, it's a whole number. Yes, we can call this expression as a polynomial. Correct? Now, this, can we call this as a polynomial? When I am asking question, then you are thinking that what we are discussing here. Please, please, I need your full concentration. Okay. See, 3y square minus 5. Can we call this as a polynomial? Check and tell properly. Why we can call it a polynomial? Is a whole number, so it's called. Okay. That has nothing to do with the operation. The power of the variable we have to check whether we can call it, whether this is a whole number or not, whether this power is a whole number or not. Yes, it is a whole number, done. It's a polynomial. Correct? Now, how to name this polynomial? This polynomial has a variable x or not. So I name it with a p. I name it with p. This is the polynomial p. And since this polynomial is having the variable x, I put in bracket x and I say p of x. What I say? P of x. And it is a name. It's a complete name. Px is equal to 5x square plus 3. It's the name of this polynomial. We have named it. You can also name. Okay, nothing to worry. Qx. Qx is another name of this polynomial. Another polynomial we have 7x cubed plus 9. Okay. And here this x represents that this polynomial is in terms of x, not in terms of y, not in terms of z, not in terms of another variable, but in terms of x variable that it represents. Fine. And its name is q. And we used to read like this: qx is equal to 7x cubed plus 9. Correct? Just like this, we have 3y square minus 5 is another polynomial in terms of y. So I name this polynomial as r, and this is, since it is in terms of y, I named it r of y. R of y is equal to 3y square minus 5. This is just a general way of naming it. Correct? Fine. So this is done. Next is what? Constant. In Tamil Nadu, no? Yes. Open means just you can go for discussion, not a regular class they will open. Means after, with the permission of, with the written permission of your parents or guardians, you can go to school just for academic conversation or discussion, or if something you want from a school side. Okay, for that reason only you can go. No. So if suppose you are going, then you must use your mask properly, everything. Okay. Which corona rise? Oh, my health you are asking. Oh, sorry, I didn't actually listen properly. Health is okay, recovering. Okay, recovering. Not fully well, but recovering. Okay. So. Not always, sometimes it happens. See, 3-4 days, no, it took. So, it made me little weak. No, they are not torturing. See, sometimes, no, this area, weather is very different. Weather, okay? In the morning time, it will be raining. In the afternoon, it will be very sunny, okay? In the night it will be cold, so that creates problem. Okay, and my body is actually not habitual of this, because I have for the last 7 or 8 years I had been there, no, most of the time, just in holidays or some for weeks or 2 weeks I used to come here. So for that reason, my body is not habitual of this type of weather. That is the reason I am getting like this. Okay, sometimes. Anyway, let us. Yes, I am trying to recover it. Don't worry. Just focus here. Understood how to name it? Okay. Now constant polynomial done, zero polynomial done. Okay. Now, if I'll ask you question, find p of x. Find p of x. What is p of x? This polynomial, no? 5x square plus 3. Are you listening? Okay. Find p of x at 0, 1, 2. What does it mean? It means it is asking find p of 0, find p of 1, and find p of 2. It is asking find this. So what is p of x? What was p of x? Is no 5x square plus 3. Oh, yes, so in place of x, what we will keep? 0. We will substitute 0 and then we will get a value. Get the value after solving. So 5 and then 0 square plus 3. How much? 0 square means 0. 5 into 0 means 5. Sure? Please be here with your brain, concentration, mind, everything. Okay, so 0 plus 3, how much? Now tell me for the second one. P of 1. Okay, next. Twenty plus 3. Okay, so what we have done? We have found the value of px. We have found the value of px at 0, at 1, at 2. Okay, even we can call as p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Fine? Fine, so we got this. Now can you tell me the value of q minus 2? What is qx? Here. So q minus 2 means in place of x we have to substitute minus 2. Let us do this. 7 and then minus 2 whole raised to the power 3 plus 9. Come on. What will be its value? Help me. So it will be minus 8. 7 into minus 8 and then plus 9. You have never seen this? What? What? Never seen this? Oh, this light, no. Light came. Current came. Okay. Now, next what we will do? Okay, minus 56 plus 9. All multiplication of the two numbers along with their signs, everything we have seen. Okay, so now we have to focus, taking consideration everything. Now, next what? We have to find the difference and use the greater number sign. Yes, difference. How much difference? Minus 47. Correct. Okay. So we found q of minus 2. Understood, no? Or we can say we have found qx at minus 2. Clear? Understood, no? Easy, not tough? Yes? Okay. Okay. In this year, what we have to do? We have to fight back, yes. Yes, yes, of course. Not physically, mentally we have to fight. Yes, correct. Yes, yes, of course. Thank you so much. Good. Keep it up. Okay, so classify the linear equation. Good. Okay. Now, 1 second. Let me see what portions we have finished in this. Now, next, let us discuss about how to find the zero of a polynomial. What do we mean by zero of a polynomial? Then the first two exercise over, and then we'll discuss. Okay. Remainder theorem, third one, and then fourth one. I'm checking the book actually. Wait, just 3 and then 4 factorization. Okay. Done. We can move fast in this. Just more 2 classes. Hopefully, we will finish this. Okay. And 5. Have you copied this or not? Okay. Please copy it fast. No, fully you copy. No, it's important. That left side value thing. Left of the line, left side of the line. You just copy everything. Tomorrow no is class for school you have, okay? So tomorrow we can keep 1 class, no problem. What you want? Tomorrow you want or not? That I am asking. Okay, so we will keep from Monday, no problem. Yes, we will keep from Monday, okay? Monday what time? Today evening, no, father will inform about the timing. I told if you are free at 2 o'clock, we can keep 2 to 3, no problem. 2 to 3 we can keep, no problem. Little early, 150 like that. Okay, that you can discuss, no problem. Father told that by today evening he will inform me what time. Okay, so you discuss, no problem. The next thing, what you just copy it, no, and tell me. After that we will discuss something. Okay. Finished? Okay. So for today, the last topic we will discuss now, and then we will see the first and second exercise. Okay, what you can do after that homework, and you will try that. Okay. No, that last topic will take at least 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes question discussion. We have to move little fast, okay, so that we can move the portions, finish the portions also in time. So we have seen many things, okay, most of the basic things in calculation that we used to do silly mistakes, we have seen in the first, okay, unit. That was not a waste of time, that was a learning time, okay. Now we can move fast. Don't worry, we will catch, man. We are the best runners, winners. Okay. Zero of a polynomial. The next topic. Zero of a polynomial. Now in the beginning, I told you something, zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? What is zero polynomial? It's nothing but zero. Don't match with zero of a polynomial. It is quite different here, okay? And this is different. Fine. Now let us see some polynomial. Let it be px. 3x plus 5. Okay? We have a polynomial 3x plus 5. Now, what I am telling, what do we mean by zero of this polynomial? Zero of this polynomial means that value of x here, which after substitution makes the complete value 0. Okay? So, what is actually that x is here right now? Here x is minus 5 by 3. Here x is minus 5 by 3. This is the value of x, which when substituted here will make this complete 0. Fine? Let us substitute and check. Let us substitute and check. So this is a polynomial px? No. So what I will check? P of minus 5 by 3, isn't it? P of minus 5 by 3 I will check. 3 into minus 5 by 3 plus 5. I wrote here. I substituted x as minus 5 by 3 here. Why I put bracket? Yes? Hey, I am not getting your voice. Sorry, I am not getting you. The voice is not proper. What? 3x plus 5, yes. No, what I am telling you, understand, we are discussing the topic zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means that value of the variable of the polynomial which when substituted here makes it equal to 0, makes complete expression as 0. So I have given you one example here. 3x plus 5 is one of the polynomial, and I am telling that x is equal to minus 5 by 3. This minus 5 by 3 is one of the 0 of this polynomial, is 0 of this polynomial. And I am asking you to check. One second, I am asking you to check whether this is really a 0 of this polynomial or not. So just I am finding p of minus 5 by 3. Means I am substituting in place of x minus 5 by 3 and I am checking whether it is coming equal to 0 or not. That only I am doing right now. Just see, observe just what actually we are doing. Okay, what we are doing here? We have. I told no, this is a 0. Now we are checking whether really it is a 0 or not. Means really will this value make the complete expression 0 or not after substitution? That we want to see. Okay. So that what we have substituted here in place of x minus 5 by 3, and now I am trying to simplify it. So what will happen? This 3 will cancel each other. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and 1 into minus 5 will give us minus 5 value. No, and this plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, finally we will get 0. So now it's clear that this value p of minus 5 by 3 is giving us 0. That's why, एक मिनट सुनो, just a second, Yoshua, please be online. क्या? 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes. Yes, Yoshua. So we are getting a value here 0 or not? Okay, so minus 5 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial, correct? Did you understand this? What do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? That value of the variable which when substituted there will make the complete expression 0. Okay, and while checking we actually getting 0 or not. So it is proved that minus 5 by 3 is one of the what? Minus 5 by 3 is one of the if you don't understand, don't say yes sir, okay? Please. Okay. Is this polynomial okay? 3x plus 5, simple polynomial. Now what do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? This is a polynomial or not? This is a polynomial or not? 3x plus 5 is a